Okay, beta, today we are going to start the next chapter of business study. The chapter name is business environment. Before the starting, what is the meaning of business environment? These all. Just try to understand the market or try to understand the environment. What is the meaning of environment? Always you are hearing the word environment. Environment means the things that is working or surrounding you, that is called what? Environment. Maybe that is a natural or artificial things is there, but that is what they are, the environment for the things, for me, for you, for persons. Okay, it means the things which are affecting me or you, and the things which are affecting by me or you, there are is what? These all are the what? That is the environment. Now we are coming on our business topic, business environment. Business, business for the selling and purchasing of goods and services for the earning is business, and that business is working in a market, and in the market many type of things is there. They are affecting the business and affected by the business. As like that, business is always using for the troubling system. Business is always for the marketing system. Business is taking for the bank loan or utilize the bank. Business are taking out the other financial operation. Okay, selling and purchasing by the business. Business is just affecting by the marketer or other businessman. Means what? They are affecting the business and they are also affected by your business. So these are what? These are the environment. These are the environment. Now we are talking about the business environment. Business environment means beta the things which are affecting by the business and affect to the business, that is called business environment. Okay beta, the business is working in which area? The things which are affected by that business and affect to the business, that is called business environment. Maybe that is the bank, maybe the other business, maybe the government, maybe the road system, maybe the traveling system, maybe the distribution system, maybe the marketing system. Means all the things which are affecting to the business and affect by the business, they are coming in the business environment. Means if we are talking about the business environment, we are going to talk about the things, the system, the working, they are just going to affect the business and affect by the business. As like that, if any business is working in a market, so sure and certain, the market studies, the market system, the other businessmen, other shops, okay, they are affecting that business and also affected by the business. The public, the society, the social status, they are all are affecting the business. Government, okay, technology, these all will affecting the business and affect by the business. Okay beta, clear? What is the business environment? Business environment means the things or system are forces outside forces of the business. Business means the all outside forces of the business which are affecting to the business and affected by the business is called business environment. Okay beta, affected by the business and affected business, that is called what? Called, they are called business environment. Okay, clear? Now I am going for the next topic, and next topic is feature, characters or nature of business environment. Okay beta, feature, characters or nature of business environment. Okay, what feature is there? What is character or nature? These are all three are the same. Okay beta, so first is what? All the external forces. All the external forces means all the forces, outsider forces, they are affecting to the business, they are coming in the business environment. Means the banking system, marketing system, other person, other business, government, technology, they are the outside forces. Okay. And if they are affecting the business, they are coming in the outside forces. Okay. The environment is always outside force. Okay, beta. Next is specialized and general force, beta. Some forces specialized, they are directly affecting your business. As like that, you are doing the which type of goods, you are doing the selling and purchasing of which type of goods or services, same type of goods or services selling by the other, they are directly affecting. Or same type of business, some rule and regulation is coming for that type of business, that is directly affecting. And some other ways, government rule and regulation, marketer rule and regulation will change. So they are the what? They are the journals force, and they are affecting directly, they are the specialized force, and indirectly they are coming in a journal force. Okay, beta? Clear? Then go for the next. It's affecting by the, it's both side way, beta. Okay. It's affecting like each other. Means the outside force will affecting your business and your business will affecting outside force. Okay, both are the just relate with each other. Okay, beta. If your business is affecting the outside forces, then outside forces affecting to you. So both are affecting to each other. Okay, so with the both are the relate. Both are the relate. They are affecting to each other. Your business is affecting the outside forces, and outside forces or business environment will affecting your business also. Okay, beta? Clear? Universally. They are working on universally, beta. The business environment not for the only one business. Our business not for the only for the Gorakhpur or UP or in only India. That is working on the whole country, all where, all places, all things. Okay, beta? That is universally. Okay, beta? And now next is the dynamic. It's the dynamic. It's not only one or two type of things. It's a many type of things is there. They are working as like a force, as like a effect for the business. Okay, beta? Next is complex. Business environment is not very easy, beta. It's not able to understand very easily. All the things which are affecting business, they are coming in the business environment. Many type of things is there. Banking, marketing, other person, social status, social system, your culture, government rule and regulation, changing of government, changing of technology, changing of economical things. These all are affecting your business. It's not very complex things. Okay, beta? It's a very complex things. Okay, relativity. These are just business environment is relate with your whole business, and your business is relate for the others also. As like you are talking about that your business, for your business, some other force, outsider forces there to other business. You are like a outsider force. Okay, beta? So just relate with the things. Okay, clear? These 7 heading is clear. Okay. Aniket, just read the all 7 heading.
So first, all the external forces.
Okay, all the external forces, beta. Outside force. This what is the business environment? They are the forces of outsiders which are affecting your business. Okay, it's outsider forces. Okay, next.
Specific and general forces.
There are two type of things: specific and general. Specific, they are directly affect your business, and general, they are indirectly affect your business. Okay, beta. Next.
Interrelation.
Interrelation, beta. They are related with each others. If your business is affecting the outside forces or business environment, so the other business environment will affecting you also. Okay, so that the interrelation is there. Okay, next.
Uncertainty.
It's uncertain. It's not set. It's not like that. You are just setting the things. This is the business environment. We are going to do these things and that. No, it's not certain. Next.
Dynamic.
It's a dynamic. Many ways there. Many type of business environment is there. Many things is coming in a business environment. So we are saying that is the dynamic. Okay. Next.
Complex. complex,
Complex. It's not very easy to understand what thing is there, how to business environment affect us, how we are going to just make ourselves that not affected by the business environment. It's not very easy. Okay, beta. Next,
relativity,
relativity. It's a relate with the things, beta. Okay, you are related with the business environment, and business environment is related with you also. Okay, clear? Now I'm going for the next. Next is the importance of business environment. Okay, importance of business environment. Okay, beta. Now, Aniket, read one by one. I will going to explain these all. What the importance, beta? Okay, if we are understand the business environment, what things, what probability things we are getting. It's right, beta. If you are know about the things, outsider things, then you are easily take your decision. You can easily face the things. Okay, beta. What type of thing is coming if we our benefit is coming for our business if we are well understand the business environment. Okay, beta. Now, first is beta.
enables the firm to identify opportunity and getting first mover advantages.
Okay, if you well known about the business environment, then you are the first person they are easily to absorb or take the chance of the starting of first. Okay, many type of new thing is coming in the business, beta. Many type of new things. The person who is going to start that things, they are always on top. Okay, they are always on top. It's right or wrong? If you are taking the chance, you are just taking the chance of market, you are studying the marketing or market, then you are well known about the what are the new thing is coming, what are the thing is coming, that if you are going to start, then easy to work for the long period. Okay, so then who is going to start these things first? They are getting the profit, they are on the top, and who will understand these things? Who they are well known about the what? Business environment. So beta, business environment. Who well known, they are easily utilize these all things. Okay, beta? Okay, next beta.
Helps in the firm to identify the threat and early warning signal.
Okay, if any type of problem will came in a business, maybe it will came, but you are well understand, then you are easily identify this. You are known about the business environment, you are easily identify this as like a plastic. Okay, beta. Now this plastic is going on, it's okay, but mainly the government is telling about that we close the plastic working or plastic utilization. Okay, so the person or businessman, they are working with the plastic. If they are well understand, they are try to just move his business from the plastic, because they will know that the plastic pack will today, tomorrow, maybe 1 or 2 years, after 1 or 2 years, that will sure and certain closed. Okay, beta. So who is well known about this environment, who is working in this environment, they are taking the study of the environment, they can take this type of warning, they can know about this type of warning or chances. Okay, next.
Helpful in tapping and assembling resources.
Okay, helpful to tapping the resources. Every business needed a minimum many type of resources. Okay, beta, every business. And when you are knowing about the environment, you are knowing about all the market means environment. Okay, then you can easily trap or take your things. As like that, if you are knowing your market, local market, then any type of things your mom is saying that please beta go and take this thing, so you are easily going directly on that shop only. Okay, beta. And other person, they didn't know about the market, then they are going to just search the full market, and then maybe they got that things or not. Okay, so that thing is coming here, same things. If you well known about the full market, full marketing, full environment, then what you needed, you are easily get from the cheapest way. Okay, beta. Next.
Helps to adjust and adapt with the rapid changes.
Okay. When you are well understand the environment, then any type of change will come, beta. But then you are easily to utilize that change. because you well known it's earlier. So then you well known it's earlier and you are well known about the marketing or market or environment, then you are start changing your things. Okay, just in one time changing they are giving the some problem. Okay, but you are start changing for the long times, then you are easily change your product or change your business or change your things from the others. Okay, next.
Assisting in planning and policy making.
If you are well known about the forces, so you well known about this thing, you are making the plan and that plan is always affected by the outside forces. Okay, because you are working in a market and what type of plan you are going to make, that plan always affect by the environment, because that plan is working environment. Okay, beta? Then if you well known about the environment, then you are making your plan with keep in mind that all environmental things, and then your plan is working very good in future. Okay, beta? Next.
Improvement in performance.
Okay, if you well know about the environment, then your selling, purchasing, your business performance, your financial ways, all things all will improve because you well known about the environment, you well know about where we are going to achieve cheapest raw material, from where we are easily to get the cheapest worker, and when we are going to make this product that is very easily go and sell in the market and maximum price will get, that all are helping you improvement. Okay, beta? Next.
Over.
Okay, beta? Again, revise these all. First heading is beta.
Enable the firm identify opportunity and getting first.
If you utilize, you will learn about the environment, so any type of problem or any type of next thing is coming in the business, so then you are easily understand. Okay, next.
Helps the firm to identify the threat and early warning signs.
Thing is coming in the market, new trick or new things or new chances will coming in the market. If you are well known about the environment, then you are easily utilize that chance. Okay, beta? Next.
Helpful in tapping and assembling resources.
Okay, where the resources is there easily got, you can know by the business environment, by the study of business environment. Okay, beta? So then you are getting the easily that resources. Okay, next.
Help to adjust and adapt with the rapid changes.
Okay, well known the environment. If you well known about the environment, then you well known that changing will came, and before the changing, you know about the change, then you can utilize that change in your business. Okay, next.
Assisting in planning and policy making.
Okay, well known about the environment, what things will affecting your business, so you are keep the things or that factor which is affecting your plan, and then you are going to make the plan, then easily you are following that plan in market. Okay, next.
Improvement in performance.
When you are going in the plan, when you are knowing all the things, going the well way, good selling, good purchasing, good product, cheapest product, maximum production, get the good price, then you are improved. Next.
Over.
Okay, clear? And next topic we are taking in the next class. Okay.